fish. Now, the next level to up your game with negative fish after the balance leech under an indicator is to emulate that with a popper dropper. Those fish are looking up. The action of the popper will get their attention and they'll come up, they'll see the nymph or they'll see the stonefly or whatever you've got on, and they'll eat it. That's what happened just here. A single pop, and all of a sudden the popper went down. Popper dropper, give it a try.
Nice. Okay, and take it. There you go. Nice. That's a fantastic technique. Wow.
Amazing, right?
Yeah. Wow.
So the popper gets the attention and the nymph seals the deal.
Yeah. I've never seen that before. Thanks for showing me.
There's a fly. Little crayfish colored balance leech. Thanks, buddy. You make fishing fun. That's a fish. All right. That is a smallmouth. On the dropper. Love this technique. Absolutely love it. It's funny, that fish hit and I couldn't move it. Couldn't move it, I thought I was on the bottom. That's a good problem to have. It's a good one too. So I've got that balance leech, that rusty balance leech on below this
nice
green
fish.
popper. Good fish. And again, the popper's the attractor and the dropper seals the deal. Hooked right in the nose. I can barely turn it, Rick, sorry.
No, works for me.
It's a good smallmouth. I'm gonna come down there, come closer to you. Nice scoop, bud.
There we go.
Good fish.
Big fish.
All right, 62-degree water. Wet my hands. Oh, let's take a look at this big girl. This is not an insignificant smallmouth. That is a studette. What a fantastic fish. Look at the depth of her, huh? And fat. Took it right in the nose.
That's a good fish. Oh, yeah. Nice. Good fish. Good boy. Oh, cow. Look at the belly on her.
Oh. 19.5-inch smallmouth bass, another trophy here at Lac Seul at Anderson's Lodge. And that was it. The popper and the dropper. Absolutely deadly.